Hi, welcome to another video of remote job opportunity anywhere you are in the world. Just as you may already know that my name is Sam, and all I do on this channel is make research about remote job out there currently hiring, no matter the country that you are. So if you are just seeing this video for the first time and you are looking for a remote job, this is the right channel for you, because we make videos about remote company hiring no matter the country you are. So do make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notification for this channel so that you will be notified every Sunday that I drop a new video. With that being said, let us go into the main content of what we have for you guys today. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 3 companies that are currently hiring, so make sure to watch this video until the end, because if the first company do not work for you, the second company will work for you, right? Okay, let us get started. The first company I'll be showing to you guys is called Mule. What this company is all about is that they create custom products which are definitely stickers, something like this picture you can see on the screen right now. So you get that right? Mule is looking for a remote software engineer back end, and these are the knowledge they expect you to know before you apply for this role. Docker, Ruby, Rails, TypeScript, Node.js, GraphQL, Postgres, Redis, familiarity with React, excellent communication skills, English preferable, degree in computer science, or if equivalent practical experience. This is basically what you are going to be doing in this role. Improve and expand GraphQL APIs, migrate a large Rails code base to Node.js services, maintain optimal back-end performance. The compensation and benefits are salary $135,000, this should be annually, based on experience, a $20,000 signing bonus, 4-week vacation plus holiday based on your country of residence. Click on the button that says apply to apply. Alright, to get to this company website, check out the video description and click on the link I have provided there. Alright, let us go to the second company. The name of this company is called Proxify, and what they are about is that they connect developers around the world to opportunities. So this company is looking for a remote senior data engineer. This is the requirement for the role. They want a 5+ years of solid experience as a data engineer in a top-notch environment. They want 3+ years of experience with cloud infrastructures, e.g. Azure or AWS, visualization and containerization environments. Alright, they want strong knowledge of software development processes, including testing, continuous integration or delivery, automated deployment, and verification and maintenance. They want a high degree of ambition of self-improvement and self-initiative. They want the ability to work with minimal supervision. They want the intermediate advanced English level. You can communicate well with both technical and non-technical clients, and here is your responsibilities: effectively and efficiently tailored towards specific applications, scalable and maintainable to address an extensive customer community, secure to protect the client's IP, knowledgeably built with infrastructure upon which the prediction model will run. The salary and compensation is around $50,000 to $80,000 per year. Alright, the last company we are looking at is called Skycraper, and this is what the company is all about. They are all about building close relationship with developers and help them do their work better. They are looking for a remote developer cloud support engineer, and this is what you are expected to do on this job role. Establish and maintain technical relationship with client team, leads, and developers by having regular status call to gain a deep understanding of their context, needs, and plan. Serve as the first point of contact for customer developers, providing timely cloud support to address their questions and issues. In particular, that includes providing everyday technical support through Stack and GitHub issues, collaborate with other teams within Skyscrapers, leveraging their expertise services and technologies to fulfill customer needs. That will include having weekly sprint planning with other teams, improving your class or your circle internal workflow, contribute to the continuous improvement of our internal process and strategies. Nice to have willing to be part of the on-call team, and these are your benefits and compensation. For this role, we are looking at a yearly compensation of between 35k euro to 75k euro, depending on the experience, seniority, status, and location of living. Check out our hiring page for more information on how we can determine compensation. Alright guys, this is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please note that I am not a financial expert. Everything I make videos about is for educational purpose only. If you are looking for how to become a mode and earn around $100 weekly, click on the link that is appearing on your screen right now. Thank you guys, and I will see you next Sunday.